Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your bank account information on TurboTax for direct deposit. Let's get started. First, open TurboTax and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Intuit Account section from the menu on the left-hand side. Next, navigate to Payment Method. If you're adding your bank info for the first time, click Add Payment. If you've already added bank details, click Edit next to the existing account. Now, enter your new bank account details and then click Submit. Make sure to double-check your information before submitting to avoid any issues with receiving your refund. And that's it. You've successfully updated your bank account info for TurboTax Direct Deposit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.